Okay, so we're going to start this one at the top. So I like to make the general shape of the head, top of the head, the angle there, the back of the hair, just little sketchy lines for now. The hairline's about there, so we drop down to the bottom of the nose, and then the same distance to the chin. You can see there the angle of the clothing. So I'm just concentrating on the shadows. It's nice and relaxing to draw like this. I'm not trying to get everything perfect. Go round of the nose, then a little bit in from the end of the nostril wing. It goes down towards the split in the lip. It's a bit darker here. And then the lip goes down. And the bottom of the lip here is darker here too. So you can see the bottom edges of things are a bit darker. That's the shape of the neck. You can check this shape in here. Bottom of the nose is the bottom of the ear. Okay, before I go down to the rest of the body, I want to add some value into the hair. So make it a lot darker. Sort of whip around the top, little streaks, build the rest of the shapes going down. So making sure the silhouettes are right and the main shapes. So I'm looking at this part of the jacket. Some really interesting little lines, details here. The seam lines, so I can see those shapes. Angles back in. So then I'm looking at this shape, comparing it to where it is on the head. Some thinner little lines here. Now I'm getting down to the arms, the thumb. I'm sort of more interested in the movement of the hand and the fingers, and then looking back to see if it looks okay. There's a leg. So I'm not going to fit any more in. Okay, so then that's the chair. Notice adding these last few details. Just darkening up some of these lines, so that it stands out and you can read all the forms a bit better. Bit of a darker shadow there, so there's really nice thin lines and then some thicker lines. Okay, so I fixed up some of those lines, and now I can use my diluted ink in this water brush pen. I'm actually going to do the whole jacket light grey. So about a square around here. I'm trying to leave a little gap just between the background and the line work. I think a black background works quite well because everything is so white on this reference. Okay, now just going back around the face, more to the hand. Once the ink's dried here, it doesn't look dark enough. So there you go, that's the final sketch. If you want to practice with me some more, here's another tutorial which I'd love you to check out.